Every day we make thousands of decisions, some small like what to eat and some big like which job to take. But how do we actually make decisions? The decision-making process can be broken down into clear steps. Understanding these steps can help us make better, more confident choices. Step 1. Identify the problem or goal. Before making any decision, we need to understand what we're trying to solve or achieve. This step is all about clarity. The better we define the problem, the easier it becomes to find the right solution. Step 2. Gather information. Next, we collect relevant information. This can include facts, opinions, experiences, and possible outcomes. The more informed we are, the more confident we can be in our decision. Step 3. Consider the options. Now, we look at all the possible choices. This is the brainstorming phase. It's important not to judge or eliminate ideas too quickly. Just get them all out on the table. Step 4. Weigh the evidence. Here, we compare the pros and cons of each option. What are the benefits? What are the risks? Which option lines up best with our values, goals, and priorities? Step 5. Choose the best option. After careful thinking, it's time to make the choice. Sometimes it's easy, other times it's tough, but making a decision is better than being stuck in doubt. Step 6. Take action. A decision without action means nothing. Once the choice is made, we put it into motion. This could mean making a call, starting a task, or even changing a habit. Step 7. Review the decision. After some time, we look back and ask, was this the right decision? What worked and what didn't? Learning from each decision helps us grow and make better choices in the future. Making decisions is a skill. The more we practice, the better we get. And by following these steps, we can turn confusion into clarity and hesitation into action.